The Rigitone Perforated Plasterboard range from Gyprock provides a modern acoustic solution and a monolithic design thanks to its edge-to-edge pattern layouts. The 8 available pattern options combine functionality and aesthetics, giving ceilings a unique character while providing optimum acoustics. The majority of boards in the Rigitone range feature the new Rigitone Edge, a chamfered edge that connects directly to adjoining boards at the top to ensure perfect alignment. The remaining Rigitone boards feature the traditional square edge, where a pattern spacer is required to align adjoining boards before they are fixed into place. Rigitone plasterboards are screw-fixed directly to a steel furring channel that's part of a concealed grid suspended ceiling system. And unlike the standard plasterboard 3-coat jointing system, Rigitone board edges are primed with Rigitone primer and filled with Rigitone filler using special purpose tools and accessories available in one of 2 Rigitone filler kit options. Rigitone boards are supplied with pre-primed edges. Mount the first board in the centre of the room. Use a fixed edge guide to make sure the first board is properly aligned and fasten it using screws inserted at intervals of 170mm. If you're using a square edge profile, subsequent boards should be aligned using the corresponding Rigitone pattern spacer for the perforation pattern. If you're using a Rigitone edge profile, no pattern spacer is required. Simply adjoin the boards at the top. Then carry out a visual check of the alignment of the diagonal and straight perforation rows before fastening the boards into place and removing the pattern spacer if one was used. The board should be installed in a star pattern, working outwards from the centre of the room, making sure that they are all laid in the same direction. This ensures a perfect jointless appearance. Rigitone boards can be cut with a plasterboard saw, and all cut edges must be primed prior to installation. To prepare any freshly cut edges, bevel them to an angle of 45 degrees using a hand sander, and then apply Rigitone primer. The joints in the perforated panel ceiling are then filled with the ready-to-use Rigitone filler and accessory kit. Alternatively, the dry mix Gyprock perforated filler can be used with the Rigitone dry mix filler application kit. Please refer to the relevant product datasheet for application instructions. Insert the Rigitone filler ready-to-use sausage into the barrel gun supplied in the Rigitone filler accessory kit and cut off the top. The innovative Rigitone nozzle available in both kits was developed specifically for jointing Rigitone perforated plasterboards. Its special shape ensures that joints are slightly overfilled. This new technology permits quick, cost-effective work and ensures top quality. A screwhead template is also supplied in both kits to make covering screwheads easier. Once the filler has begun to harden, remove any excess carefully using the Rigitone notched joint knife, then pass the joint knife back over the joint in the other direction to smooth the surface. The joints can be sanded after approximately 12 to 24 hours. Allow sufficient time for the joints to dry fully before carrying out further finishing work.